Alright, so we're going to walk through this game that I've been working on. C# Monogame. So I've got jumping, I've got collisions, full tile map, I've got different layers, so you can obviously see I can go behind these trash bags, in front of this lady, talk to her, inventory system. You can switch between these weapons. And let's run through the game. Get some enemies. Get them out of the way. Go to my store. Buy some ammunition. Need that later. There's nothing up in there. There's another dude. Let's talk to him. This is going to culminate in a boss battle. So I just implemented this music switcher. So the music is stored with the map. Oh no, we can't get back up. Let's go fight a boss. Oh no. Ah. Hey, we did it. Oh no, we can't get back. Oh, we got boots. So now we can get out of here. Well, I mean, if I could jump correctly. Bug here. What's supposed to happen is there's supposed to be boss music that plays, but for some reason it should now. You hear the music in the background, then oh no. We'll work on that. But that's where we're at so far, so quite a lot of stuff.